Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, where luxury is not just seen, it is experienced. Today, we are taking you into a world where every wall tells $1 million story, where design is not just architecture, but a symbol of power, status, and perfection. These are not ordinary houses, these are masterpieces. Imagine standing in front of an ultra-modern mansion overlooking the ocean, with floor-to-ceiling glass walls that invite the sunset straight into the living room. An infinity pool where the sky and water blend into one. Italian marble floors, designer lighting, and detailing so refined that only world-class architects can create it. At Million Dollar Mansions, we don't just showcase properties, we reveal a lifestyle. A lifestyle reserved for the world's top 1%. Private driveways, luxury kitchens that rival 5-star hotels, grand staircases that feel like royal palaces, and bedrooms designed to look and feel like private resorts. On this channel, you will discover the most expensive and exclusive mansions in the world. Celebrity and billionaire level luxury homes. Modern, futuristic, and ultra-luxury architectural designs. Properties so valuable, their prices will leave you speechless. Today's mansion is not just expensive, it is a $74.8 million luxury icon. Perfection from every angle, class in every detail, and elite living in every space. If you are passionate about luxury homes, if you admire world-class architecture, and if you want to think with a million-dollar mindset, then Million Dollar Mansions is the channel for you. Watch the video till the very end, because what we are about to show you today is not just a house tour. It is the next level of luxury living. So let's step inside. Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions.